showing you a fidget stick. It's a very cool thing because look, go down the ground like that. And I hope you're wondering where I got it. I got it off these people in my school. And so they're selling fidget spinners, fidget cubes, fidget stick, these things. And so if you would like to get one, they're here, and so they're only €5 in Skullrita at Garden. And so, hi guys, hope I get 1 million subscribers. See ya.